What?
Oh no.
This sucks.
Yo, what up? Welcome to another episode of MattyMatt's Bavarian Builds. Today, we're gonna do it yourself some hatch struts for the touring owners. For all that own E34 Tourings, this is how we replace these bad boys and make them new and fresh so you don't have to use a holder. These are a little weak. Let's make them fresh and new with some brand new struts. So before doing this job, what you're gonna need is a touring.
Duh.
Some old hatch struts.
Sucks.
Some new hatch struts.
What?
And some hand tools.
Duh.
Let's show you what you're gonna need. Woo! So first what you're gonna do is grab a small kind of hand tool, pry tool thing. And if you look on the actual strut itself, there's a clip. Pop the clip. It kind of moves out of the position. Grab a larger screwdriver. Be careful not to jack your paint up. Let's get a pair of pliers. Once you have your pliers, let's try and pop this bad boy off. Here's the old pin. Screwdriver, pop this bad boy off. There we go. Be sure to hold it up when you pull it out. And it unscrews from the top clockwise. Boom. Hold one out. Let's get that new one on. Same thing. Screw it in. Get it on. Let's get it on. Then we put the pin back in. There's a little hole. That's what she said. Let's go to the driver's side. Here we go. Same steps you have is release the little pin. Get it? Pull it straight up. So it releases that ball joint area. Old pin won't matter. You have to grab a pair of pliers, pull it up. Try not to mess your paint up. And from there, you pop it. Pop it like it's hot. And unscrew it. If you can't unscrew it, grab a pair of pliers. Break it. On the old one. Don't do that to the new. You don't want to damage the cartridge. Now we have the old one out. Put that new one in. Put it on the ball. Flip it on. Give yourself some leverage. You don't want to strip this out. Go slow, make sure you get the alignment right. And done. Just like that. Within like 5 minutes, you can have your hatch struts replaced. Now, let's move on to the glass hatch struts. We're gonna have some fun with that one. Stay tuned. First, what you're gonna need is new glass hatch struts. All right, so grab yourself a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's come over here. Let's start with this. Don't press hard. Blast. Get a little flathead or some sort of pry tool. Pull up. Get off that rubber grommet. So now you're going to take these Phillips head screws out. Next, with the Phillips head screwdriver, you're going to come over here and undo these. I'm on the driver's side. Undo the cable that goes to the hatch just a little bit to give yourself some room. Yeah. Now we have the wiring out, so that way we can make some more room. And possibly also do some wiring repair in the hatch. So now that you have more room, we have more access to get to the C-clip, more access to pull that glass hatch strut out. First, you're gonna pull out this little C-clip. Careful not to lose it. Pro tip, it's always good to have a magnetic little thingy. Then what you're gonna do is take a flathead screwdriver and pry the end of the shock off of the glass hinge. So now that you have the shock unhinged from the glass, grab a pair of pliers or something. You just heard that. It just came unpopped. Get it there. You have to pull it out. And that's it. This is just the jacking handle from my engine hoist. Slipped it over the edge, popped it up, came right out. Old one out. Done. Now that you have the old one out, what you're going to need to do is take off the grommet off the old one, install it on the new one, same way it came off the old one. And let's try and fit this new one in. You're going to make sure that the flat spot of the ball cup is facing down. It means that this lever right here will be facing up and down so you can hold it easily. I'm going to get it in there. That's what she said. And fit it. Now that the glass hatch strut is installed, now what we're going to do is button up this side and put away all the wiring and the trim before we move on to the passenger side. Let's check it out. All right, now let's do the passenger side. You're also going to come across times in hatch wiring with E34 specifically where you're going to have broken lines. We'll also get on to repairing those too. So with broken wiring lines like these, you'll notice that's going to happen a lot in E34s. Either I can show you how to do a how-to repair a broken wire by just inserting a connector and crimping it, or you can Google it. Once it's in the hole, you can try and get it onto the glass. You can do that just by simply lifting up on the glass a little bit to get the actual shock to sit on the hinge of the glass. Alright, now that we have that new glass hatch strut on the passenger side, all that's left to do is put on the plastic trim and put away the wires. But unfortunately I had some breakage in the wires, so I'm going to leave that undone, and I'm going to finish that up a little bit later tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and massage that little notifications button. If you have any questions, make sure you leave comments below. Peace!